King. Welcome to a quick guide on how to disable SMS notifications for birthdays on Facebook. Web on PC with the latest update. First, open Facebook in your web browser and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile photo. This opens a small menu with quick access to your profile and settings. From there, select Settings and Privacy. A new menu will appear. Choose Settings to enter the main settings area. You'll see a left-hand column with various categories. Click Notifications to open the notification preferences. Now, you're in the section that controls how and when Facebook sends you alerts. Scroll down to find the Birthdays option. It may be labeled simply as Birthdays or show a birthday-related section under Notifications. Click on Birthdays to expand its settings. Within Birthdays, you'll see options for where these birthday alerts come from and how you receive them. Look for SMS or a similar mobile notification channel. If SMS is enabled, switch it off or toggle the setting to disable SMS for birthday notifications. This stops birthday reminders from being sent via text messages to your phone while leaving other notification preferences intact. If you don't see an SMS option right away, double check that you're in the most recent tab of birthday settings, as Facebook periodically reorganizes sections with updates. In some cases, the SMS option may be labeled as text messages or messaging SMS, but it will still be the birthday notification channel. Ensure the toggle is set to off. After turning off SMS for birthdays, it's a good idea to review other related preferences. You can customize whether you want birthday alerts via Facebook notifications, email, or push notifications to your device. This helps you tailor which reminders you actually receive without completely changing your notification habits. Finally, close your Settings tab. Your changes save automatically in most updates, but it doesn't hurt to revisit the birthday section later to confirm the SMS option remains disabled. If you ever decide you want birthday SMS alerts again, just follow the same steps and toggle SMS back on. That's all there is to it. You've successfully disabled SMS birthday notifications on Facebook Web, keeping you free from birthday texts while still receiving other important updates. If you found this helpful, consider adjusting other notification settings to suit your routine.